Yeah, what's up, guys? This is a quick update on our $100 to $1,000 Forex trading challenge. So, this is the account right here. As you can see, the first trade actually turned into a loss. This trade was at a point, it was a winning trade, okay, which I already made some profit on it. It was running profits, and before you know it, price reversed gradually till it turned into a losing trade, and I was still holding it, okay, hoping that it will go back to my direction, okay. But the major reason why I decided to just leave it is that the worst thing that will happen is for it to hit my stop loss, which actually did. So that's why it's good to always apply risk management, to always put stop loss on heavy trades, okay? Because if I don't put stop loss, and as the price reverse and the price just keep going like that, the entire trading capital will be gone, okay? So lesson number one, always apply stop loss on each and every trade, okay? Then number two, technically, if I see that the trade is not going to ever go my direction, I'll just close, and there's no need waiting for the trade to hit my stop loss, okay? Then number three lesson is that initially, as I said in my previous video, that I am willing to risk up to 10% on each trade. Now, that can no longer work again, okay? I'm not doing that again. Yes. So instead of me risking up to 10% on each trade, I'd rather split that 10% on 10 trades or 1%, or depending on the trade setup that I have. So if it is 5 setup that I have, I'll risk to 2% on each, okay? So if it is 2 setup that I have, I'll risk for 5% on each. If it is so, like, I'm never risking up to 10% on each trade again. Yes. So, and when I took this trade, this was the first one. I said, if there's an opportunity to add to my position, that I'm going to add to hit, which I eventually did, okay? So because I already have that mind that I'm going to risk up to 10%. So let's say I didn't add these other two positions, I wouldn't have, like, this would have been the amount I'm going to lose, okay? So now I lost close to that 10% that I'm actually willing to risk, okay? So, and if I continue like this, I have like 9 more trades to take, and if I lose those 9 trades, that means my capital is gone, okay? So even though I feel it's not possible for me to lose 10 trades, but in the market anything is possible, okay? So now I found a trade, okay, which I'm going to enter right now. All right, copy. So USD. So if this trade goes my direction, and if I don't close the trade before it hits my TP, so it's likely I recover my loss with this one single trade right here, if it goes as planned, okay? So if it doesn't go well and I still lose it, well, that's it. So, and I have more trade setups which I've sent to my Telegram channel, okay? So I'll be risking 1 to 2% on each of those trades. So let's see how it goes. All right, so that'll be better than risking up to 10% on just one trade, okay? So if I see that the trade is taking too long, up to a week, more than a week, before it's my TP or stop loss, I'm closing it myself. Yes, no time to check time. So now this challenge is now up to 2 weeks now, and no result, nothing to show for it. Like, it's really painful. So no profit. What I have is loss. loss. So let me click on quotes Euro USD. So take note, if you are joining me on this challenge, make sure you are using money you are willing to risk. Okay, so don't deposit important money that will affect you when you lose it. So I'm going to click on trade. So I'm going to click on this sell limit, then let's use 0.5. let's see, price paste, and stop loss. So paste and TP 1.1592, place. So let's see how much I'm gonna lose. So 57. This is like 0.5% of my capital. Okay, so I can still add more to it. I can still add more to it because I'm willing to risk 1 to 2% of my capital on trade. Okay, so TP 414. So for the last plus, if the trade hits TP. So that's it, guys. I can add to it. Okay, so I'm not risking up to 10% again. Yes. So make sure you join the Telegram channel so you can also follow, what I'm doing. Okay, so instead of risking up to 10%, risk like 1 to 2 on each of the trades that I dropped. Okay, so let's see how it goes. The major point is to make money. Okay, so not to lose money. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace out.